Hi everyone, this is just going to be a quick video on how you can unlock the NeoStat if you've forgotten your PIN. So what you're going to do is first you can see there we've got it locked currently. If you can't remember what the PIN code is, press up or any button which will bring your PIN in the top right hand corner. It's where you enter your code. What you're going to do is put the first two zeros, we're going to take that all the way up to 63. When you do get to 63, just press the tick, and then your second number, we're going to keep going up until you reach 43. And then press the tick, and you'll find that that's unlocked the stat. Thank you.